it's very late to say Happy New Year, so it's 2023. Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, as always. So, how has been 2023 for you guys so far? So, to catch you guys up on everything so far, I thought I'll just make like a Jan catch-up video and just talk to you guys. You know, I've been thinking of posting this video like a New Year vlog, and it's 1 month past New Year. I never did a few clips from here and there, so I'm gonna just put everything in here and talk to you guys through the video and just, you know, catch up, have some chit chat. And while we chit chat, I want something to drink because I'm already kind of dry. My mouth is just already dry. It's just so drink some water. You're reminded to go drink some water, like stay hydrated. So I'm gonna start off by showing you guys something that I did to start off 2023, man. Like, hey guys, today is New Year's Eve. Oh my god. 2022 is done and gone, and 2023 is here to come. So, I just got back from my work and I'm actually going to Toronto to see the fireworks. And I have shift tomorrow early morning. So I have to get back, sleep for 3 hours and go for my next shift, which will be fun. That's okay. I wanted to do something. So yeah, this vlog is all about that. I'm gonna cut my hair. Yes, we're not gonna step into 2023 looking the same way, are we? No. This is how I cut my hair. I just start it in the middle, put everything in the front, and I'll just stop off. So I'm thinking I'll go like this short, so it'll still be more than my shoulder length. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, I hate the sound of this. It's so short, I can't see. Okay, now open. We'll see the length. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, that's okay. Now I will break the length. Let's get my better. Now we have bananas. So basically, I have shorter, fresh hair. There you go. Have fresh hair. That's nice. Oh my god, I miss my short hair. Wow, I'm going even shorter, I think, next year. I really miss my short hair, dude. I want to go back. I want to go back to that phase, like the phase that I came here in. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready because I need to leave in 1 hour. Okay, bye. I'm all ready and let's hit the road. I think my hair is already grown back. Like it feels like it's really long already. So yeah, the new year was really cool. That was like my first ever time having the countdown and just watching fireworks and all of that for New Year. 25 years old, and I've never seen that. I've never had that in my life. So yeah, thank you so much to Arun who took me there and showed me all of that. Like, yeah, I say Toronto, and then people are like, "Oh, Toronto," and I'm like, "Toronto." Oh, Toronto. I'm like, okay, it's Toronto. Like, you guys decide. Yes. So yeah, I didn't feel like I was there. Instead, I felt like I was in Punjab. I should probably not be saying this out loud on YouTube, but very honestly, it was so annoying. Like, all the streets were filled with speakers playing like such loud Punjabi music. It was hurting my ears, but more of my soul, because all the other people basically standing there talking to each other, having their time, watching the lights. It was so nice to see all of that. And then like a couple of these Jeeps and just SUVs came in, and they just started like playing this really loud Punjabi music in speakers. And I was like, what the? It was so nice until then. Oh my god, just stop and let people enjoy. Not everyone here even understands what you're playing. Why do you want to do that to others? Like, so rude, honestly. Like, so rude. I feel good saying that out loud, but I also don't know if I should be saying that out loud. Not nice. Anyways, other than that, the whole experience was really nice. And yeah, it was beautiful. The fireworks were beautiful. I've never seen such beautiful fireworks. Like, especially there was this one gold firework. I was like, oh my god, that's mind blowing. That was so pretty. Like, I just stood there, I'm like, oh, I've never seen something like that. And then we came back, and that was just how my New Year went. It was nice. I enjoyed the time. And I was going through a lot the last couple of weeks of December. I was just lost. I was working really hard. I was working 7 days a week. I worked that hard just so that I could make some money to buy myself an iPad. I got the iPad Air. It's been nice. Like, I've been taking notes in it in classes. I've been doing my assignments and stuff in this, and like, it's been fun. I've been really enjoying it. I also have the second generation pencil with it, and both have my name engraved on it, which is super cute. It was really a moment when I actually bought the iPad, because I've never really splurged so much money on myself, by myself, ever. This was the first time, so it really felt like an achievement, like something that I can do for myself. That felt good. And when 2023 started, I was like, I want to set goals for me. I want to do things for me like everyone does. And I'll get my iPad. I was working so hard, like so hard. I was dead the first week of 2023. And then my final semester classes started, and I realized that all of my subjects are like assignments and projects and everything, and I need to put like effort into these subjects. And I was going through a lot of shit over the last couple of months of 2022. I felt a lot lonely. I went through some really bad moments and feeling so guilty, pushing myself down, like, oh my god. Especially when you've moved countries, thousands of miles away from your parents, away from your family, away from anyone you know, literally, and you're starting to build a life here, you are going to be alone. Like, take care of yourself. That has to be your first priority. Like, nothing else is your priority. At the end of the day, I truly want to be just peaceful and happy with myself. So if I keep making myself feel weird and sad, then I can't do that. So it took a while, and it's still taking. Like, it's a process. It's not done. It's a process. It's an ongoing process, and I think it's gonna take a long time before I stop talking myself down. Those were like a couple of things that I'm very strict about right now. I don't like go shopping just like that every weekend. I don't go to the malls anymore like just like that. I don't. I more of like the time that I more enjoy right now is like with the right kind of people, just spending time and feeling good. That's all I get. Like, it's something that again that hit me a lot at the end of 2022. I was like, I have zero savings, and when I tried to buy this iPad, I realized that I'm literally living off of credit card. I did fall sick in December for a week or so, and I had to push myself to go to work because if I fell sick and if I stayed home, my credit card bill won't be paid off, and I won't be able to live, like literally live here because I don't have any savings. That is why I cannot keep up with YouTube as well. Like, it's just not a possibility for me at the moment. I don't make anything from YouTube. So at this moment, my priority is actually a little bit of financial stability. Like, if I get sick for 2 weeks, I don't want to push myself to work. I want to actually take rest and recover from that because last time I felt sick like twice and consecutively, like in like 2 weeks, I felt sick again and again because I did not give myself enough rest to recover. So that was a mistake I made, and I don't want to do that ever again because I'm scared that I won't have money to live or pay the rent. Like, that's sad. Okay, that's very sad when someone's scared that they don't have rent to pay, so they have to go to work even if they're sick. That's a sad state of life, and I'm literally going through the fact that other people's opinions or decisions or attitude or behavior is just affecting me is so sad. So sad. And the way it affects me, it literally drains me down. I can't. I can't do it anymore. And also, Jan, I've just been working on that. Like, just staying busy, being productive, working towards myself, working really hard for money, and then working really hard on academics too. So yeah, that's all that's been going on all through Jan. Ideally, like right now, I know for a fact that like this is what has happened, and I have kind of a view of what I want, and it's not a lot of big goals or anything. Like, I don't want to lose 10 kgs this year. I don't want to travel to 1,000 places this year. That's none of that is my goals this year. I have like very basic, very central goals, like for me kind of goals. I want my own space. That's the first thing that I want. So yeah, also this month I did make a little bit of savings, which I'm actually gonna spend this week, which I feel bad for. But I have to because I'm promising myself to post more videos for you guys. It's not going to be like every week, even because I don't think I'll be able to do that. So no promises made here. But I do want to post something that might be actually beneficial for you guys rather than just regular vlogs. I would do vlogs too because I like to document my life. So I will always do vlogs, but some things that are fun and helpful for you guys too, because I've been here for over a year now, and I think a few things I know that I will be able to share with you guys. So I just want to write down 3 main goals for this year. 3 things that I have to get done no matter what. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I don't need some water. Okay, so it's done. Anyways, this is just the basic idea. I can totally share this with you guys because there's no like personal points in there. So this is what I've written. So this is all of the goals, and then I have like the affirmations, and then the minor goals like breakdown of these here that I can just literally start following from maybe today if I want to. The top three, like the main things for this year that I have to do it. Like I need this so badly in my life is my own space. I need my space so badly, as I said. And wellness lifestyle, and in the brackets, I have like mind and body. So it's not that I want to, hit the gym tomorrow. That's not what I mean. So my body is active, but my diet is not that good. So I would like to have like more. I have already started all through January. I have cooked a lot. I'm not someone who cooks. I don't like cooking, but I've been cooking a lot all through January. And for the mind, I do want to actually spend my time. I do want to start journaling. I've been saying this for a year now. I still haven't got back to journaling. I used to journal so much back in the days. I actually miss that. Just going for walk in winter, that's hard. I do miss going out for walks in the evening. I used to do that a lot during fall. So yeah, I miss that too. I wish I could do that more often. And of course, wellness lifestyle means I really need to make myself my priority. All of this, my mind, my body, my health, my feelings, my emotions, all of that comes on top for me. Also this year is what I want for me. Yeah. So that's like the second one. And the third one is budget planning and savings. Your girl has no savings, as I just mentioned, and from my checking or my credit, like out of those two, putting a couple of $100, at least a couple of $100 every single month, putting that aside, I need that. I really need that. And then I have like written a lot of affirmations. It's just basically like a reminder to myself, like if I'm feeling low, I want to literally take this board and like this board is gonna be here on my this nightstand kind of thing. It's gonna sit here. So literally want to just take my board and be like, I will love myself no matter what. I have enough time to get it done. All that to make myself my priority. At the end of the day, when you go to sleep every night, is you're feeling good about yourself. Bored, sitting there, resting, looking beautiful and gorgeous, and I can always read that. Just good for me. So yes, that is all of the video, guys. I know there was nothing much here, but I want this video here posted so that I can always look back at it and know where I am. So yeah, it's just a reminder and documentation, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also let me know down in the comment section if there is any specific video that I can make for you guys that would be helpful, especially regarding like international students or like Canada or London specifically. If you have anything that I can help you with, let me know. Thank you so much for watching again. Love y'all. Bye.